Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a logo without any software. What and why is logo? A logo is a graphic mark, emblem, symbol or stylish name used to identify a company, organization, product or brand. As you see, so this is the logo model, the brand identity. If you have your YouTube channel or any other branding, you need to give your identity. That is called for a logo. Without any software, now I am going to show you how to create a logo. Let's see. In your Google browser, just type logomaker.howxt.com. I'll give the link in the description. Just check the link in the description and you can direct to this website. This is a Logo Maker official website. Using this website, you can create your own logo, make your brand identity without using any software. In your left hand side corner, you will have add text, add symbol, shape, business card, upload images will be available. And your top, you will find background color, grid, new and preview will be available. So if you want to delete the symbol, just click and delete the symbol. Just delete the symbol. Now I would like to add the symbol. You will have different kind of symbols available. Just hit the button add symbol. You can find out different kind of symbol option is available. You will have a different kind of categories available as per your needs. If you want abstract, animals, arrows, art and design, or if you are using for food and food kind of a logo, if you want to make, you can find out the food kind of symbols in your YouTube channel or anything. You can make your brand identity. Yes, I would like to add some logo which is related to some mic and mic kind of things, because my logo name is Public Voice. So create the logo name and create your brand. Yes, so choose which symbol you want and make your logo. I just want, yes, so this symbol I liked. Just hit the button, automatically that symbol will be added here in your logo making option. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the size. If you want to duplicate this, you can duplicate this, hit the button and duplicate this. If you want to delete, you can delete this. So now I would like to change according to my design. Just select the button, just select the symbol. You will find the symbol option. Click the button and choose a color. Which color you want, you can choose and see the different. Yes, I love this kind of blue. And I would like to change my mic and kind of colors. So whatever modification, you can make it according to your design. I don't want black, I want a dark blue. Select and make your mic as a white color. So that is this is fine. So now if you want to zoom in, you can zoom in and zoom out and see your preview. Yes, so if you want to add more symbol, you can add symbol, you can add according to your design. So just select whatever design you want. I just want this play button because this is my news channel, so I want only the play button. Just select the lines and click eye icon, automatically that portion will be hide. So now I would like to add this as a symbol. Yeah, so you can reduce the size and keep it somewhere. I have added two symbol. If you want to add shapes, you can add the shapes. So now if you want to add the symbol, you can add the symbol. I just select the symbol and keep it somewhere here. Yeah, so my logo is ready. Now I would like to add the text for my brand. Just add text, automatically your text will be added here. You can move, drag and drop. You can move your text and add your company name. I just want public voice. So type your text and give your font style and font color, everything. So which font you want, you can choose according to your design. I just want this kind of font, and add bold, increase your font size. If you want to move, you can move and keep. Yeah. Now I would like to add the color of my font. Just select and add the color. Yeah. So I want to add, just cut and create one more text. Yes. So if you want to give the separate color of this, you can give the color. Because my logo has blue and red color, so I have given. Click the preview button, you will find a different kind of variety. Your logo will be displayed here, whether the t-shirt or cup or mobile or visiting cards. And if you want to create a logo with the business card, just hit the button business card. You will find your logo will place in your business card. So which type of business card you want, you can choose. So how to export my logo? To save my logo and see my logo, just hit the button save and download. It will ask you the email address. Just give your email address. Yes, and save and continue. It will show you the link, which is you want to change your logo, different kind of material you want to add. You may edit your logo using the following URL. So using this URL, if you want to change further changes, if you want to add the symbol or change your logo name, anything you can change using this symbol. So this is the easiest way you can create your logo. So now we'll see how the output is come. Just log in your Gmail account. Yes, you got your logo with the zip format. Just hit the button, the logo free, download your logo file and edit your logo. Everything will be available. Just click and download. If you want to unzip this, just right click, WinRAR extract file here. Just hit the button. Yeah, my logo is ready with different kind of PNG option, JPG option. This is a PNG, JPG. I can able to place according to my logo. Yeah. So this is the easiest way you can create your logo, create your brand and show your brand to your public places. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.